Hello everyone. So my full name is Nguyễn Trường Giang. So today I am going to introduce about my final project is smart home. So basically my project is talk about how I can manipulate and control devices like a speaker, sensor at home. So first of all I will talk about how my final project runs, and after that I will explain how it's work and how I build a lot of files to control it. And first of all, let's see. I will run my file first, and let's see. So basically, you see there are some options for my project to control device. For example, like I can add new device, control device, view all devices at home, and view devices by room, say configuration, no configuration. And first of all, I want to check all devices at home. So you can see there are no devices in home. And in this case, I will add new device. So I choose number one. So our system come with three different devices like light, temperature sensor or speaker. So first of all, I try to add a new night, and it require name. So for example, like I put name one over here, night one, and require location and room. So I put room one, for example. Initialize brightness. So I put 90, and so I want to check again. So it's come with information in ID one, type of light, type of device, and name device, location, and the status here now is off. Initially, when you add new device, it's always off, and so I will change and enable the status, and now it's off, so I will enable, and the brightness level. So now I will enable the device by control device is the second option. So type ID here is ID one. So I want to, it comes with three options: turn on, turn off, and change the level of brightness. So I put number one. So now it's work now is on, and right now I will change the brightness of night. Now is 90%. So I want to change is number three is 50, for example. So now it's changed to 50%. And on the other hand, I want to add new device. For example, like I add speaker, for example, and enter device name, speaker one. The room number, no, the room name maybe is number two. Initialize volume, so I put 40%. So I check. So now is it's come with two devices over here, and so next I want to check. I want to find the device by finding room. So for example, like I want to find speaker one, so I type room name. So number four. So room name is room two, right? Yeah. So it has information over here. The data is type of speaker, speaker one, location, status, and volume. And next, I want to export to a new file. Uh, so I choose number five, for example, like. So it's require file name. For example, like I create a file name, smart home, for example. It's appear over here now. So let me open it. So it comes with all information of the system over here. So okay, so here is number five. So number six, I try to load information from a file into a system. So in that case, I try to, for example, like I want to copy this file and rename to smart home 2, for example, like I load a new file. No, first one I need to change information in smart home 2 and see how it's work. Okay, so here is night. So I change to speaker, for example, speaker 2, speaker, and here is speaker 2. Room is number 10, for example. The status is off. Brightness is 0, and here is light, and here is night too. Room 5, for example, the status is on. Status is on, and the volume is 100%. So I save it, and let's see how it's work. Number 6. So I try to put. So it is loaded here. So I try to write to read, view all information. So here is all information for the new file. And yeah, so right now I will explain my file and how it's work. So first of all, so I will talk about the base class. I create a device, so it's base class here. So I will open it. So first one is base class over here. So I initialize device ID, name, location, status, on or off, and I create constructor. It comes with ID, device name, um, device location, so you can set the value and information over there. And we have one destructor, and I also create some function like turn on, turn off, get ID, and get name. So get location, set up status and location, get type, and print all information and change the value of brightness, temperature, or volume over here. So we also have the function to call this to write to a file, and so move to implication function and file. So it is inherited from main class over here, and so it comes with ID, device name, device location, and status, and it's come there's nothing in the structure. So it's inherited from a device with turn on, turn off, and get ID, get name, get location, status, and get location, set location. Yeah, sorry. And here is the base class, and we can create some basic information over here. So next, I move to I also create to some devices file like light, speaker, uh, temperature sensor. It's a thermostat. For example, like I open these two files. So we have header file here. So I declare brightness, and we set level for this from 0 to 100% and get brightness. And also we have some implementation of virtual function from device like get type, print information, and change the volume of level, and the try to print to a file. And so here is implementation. So it is inherited from the header file. So it comes with the ID, device name, and location, and initialize brightness. And after that, we set condition for to set up brightness level, and get brightness, and set up type, and we print all information for device, and we also change the level of brightness. And here is save the light to a file information. Yeah, and so for the speaker and the thermostat is almost the same. Yeah, let me open it. So it also come with one header file, set value, and it comes with implementation of virtual function from device, and temperature sensor is the same. So it is inherited from device by class, and temperature, and implementation of virtual function from device, and smart thermostat, set temperature, get temperature, and everything inside. And here is the implementation function file, and we put everything here, and status, and information, change the value, and save to a file. And next, I think the most important step is to create a home file here to control every devices at home. So let me open it. For home file, we also have a header file. So this class manage all devices in smart home. Like I create a vector to contain all devices. Use a container pointer to device object, and next ID to add new device, and I also want to find the device by ID, so I put ID over here. So here there we have some function like add device, control device, view all devices, and view all device by room, save to file, and load to file, and here is our implementation file. So we also have define delete file, but there's no um, there's no device here initially. So when you find device by ID, you can go to get ID file to return the ID and get device. And also I create an interface to add new device. It comes with three options: smart light, thermostat, and speaker. And also you can type name and room. And after that you can put brightness over here, level from 0 to 100%, and the option 2 for temperature, and the upper 3 for speaker. And you can view all devices. Uh, if it is empty, there's no devices in the home. So if there it comes with some data inside, so you can go to print information function. and you can view device by room. Device by room, you can enter the room over here, and you can get location, and after that is print all information in that room. And control device, so you can put ID over here, and you can find device by using ID, and you can turn on, turn off, and change the level of value of volume, brightness, or temperature. It's up to you. Yeah, and after that you can print all information, and you can save all information to a file. So you can set file name over here, and you will put every information into from get ID, get type, get name, get location, get status, and get type, brightness, temperature, or volume, and you put everything into a file name, in a new file. Sorry. And notes from a file is almost the same. You call a file name, and after that you load all information from that file into the system. And yeah, so move to the main function is so the main menu and call the corresponding function of the home class. So I create an interface over here like add device, control device, view all device, view device by room, save configuration or node configuration, and so I create a switch option. So you can from home you can call add device or control device, view all devices or view device by room, save to file or node to file, and yeah, so that's all for my final project. And I hope everything is going to be helpful for you, and I hope that you give me some helpful feedback. And finally, thank you so much for watching.